Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Tecumseh carburetor is probably one of the most essential components for your engine's performance. In this video, we're diving deep into the 640349 Tecumseh carburetor, exploring its features, benefits, and why it might be the perfect fit for your needs. We'll cover everything from its design and functionality to how it can improve your engine's efficiency and power, so you can make an informed decision. Number 5. Tecumseh Carburetor for 8-10.5 HP HMSK LH engines. Are you having trouble with your snowblower? This carburetor is a perfect replacement. It's designed to fit various Tecumseh engines. This carburetor is compatible with 8 horsepower to 10.5 horsepower engines. It replaces several part numbers, ensuring a proper fit for your machine. This part fits HMSK 80, HMSK 85, HMSK 90, HMSK 100, HMSK 105, HMSK 110, LH318SA, and LH358SA engines. It's a reliable solution for your snowblower's needs. It replaces 640054, 640349, 640058, and 640058A. This means it's a direct replacement for your existing carburetor. Keep your snowblower running smoothly this winter. This carburetor provides the performance you need to clear snow efficiently. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh engines and snowblower models. It also comes with a comprehensive kit of accessories, including a spark plug, fuel filter, and various fuel lines. If you're looking for a complete solution with everything you need for installation and maintenance, this is the one for you. What people say. The carburetor fit perfectly and the engine started right up. Installed this carburetor on my snowblower and it runs like new. This carburetor was a perfect fit and the engine runs great now. Number 4. Carbhub carburetor for Tecumseh snowblower. This is the Carbhub carburetor, designed for Tecumseh snowblowers. It is a replacement for several models and engine sizes, ensuring a perfect fit for your machine. The carburetor replaces part numbers 640052, 640054, and 640349. This makes it a direct replacement for your existing carburetor, simplifying the installation process. It fits Tecumseh HMSK and LH series snowblowers, as well as Toro and MTD Cub Cadet Yard Machines models. This wide compatibility ensures that it can meet your needs. This carburetor is designed for Tecumseh engines with 8 HP, 9 HP, and 10 HP. It provides optimal performance for your snowblower, ensuring it runs smoothly. The package includes the carburetor, spark plug, fuel filter, fuel lines, primer bulb, fuel shut-off valve, throttle control knobs, gaskets, bolts, and clamps. Everything you need for a complete installation is included. Please note that this product has been updated with additional accessories. If you receive an older version, please contact us for assistance. What we like. This carburetor is designed for easy installation and long-lasting performance. It is a direct replacement for several Tecumseh models. If you value a hassle-free upgrade and reliable operation, this carburetor is an excellent choice. What people say. The carburetor fit perfectly and the engine started right up. Installed this carburetor on my snowblower and it runs like new. This carburetor was a perfect fit and the engine runs great now. Number 3. AUTOKAY 640052 carburetor for Tecumseh snowblower. This is the AUTOKAY 640052 carburetor, designed for Tecumseh snowblowers. It's a reliable replacement part to keep your snowblower running smoothly. This carburetor fits Tecumseh 8 HP, 9 HP, and some 10 HP horizontal snowblower engines. It's also compatible with models like HMSK 80, HMSK 90, and more. The AUTOKAY 640052 replaces part numbers such as 640349, 640054, and 640058. This makes it easy to find the right fit for your equipment. The package includes the carburetor and a gasket. Make sure to check the details to ensure this part is compatible with your specific model. Installing this carburetor can help restore your snowblower's performance. It is a great choice to get your machine ready for winter. What we like. This carburetor is adjustable, allowing for fine-tuning to optimize engine performance. It fits a variety of Tecumseh engines, including 8 HP, 9 HP, and some 10 HP models. If you want to customize your engine's performance and ensure a perfect fit, consider this option. What people say. The carburetor fit perfectly and the engine started right up. This carburetor was a perfect fit and fixed the problem. Installed it and the engine fired right up. Number 2. Carbhub Tecumseh 640052 carburetor for Snowblower. This is a Carbhub carburetor, designed to replace several Tecumseh models. It's a reliable replacement part for your Snowblower or other equipment. This carburetor is a direct replacement for Tecumseh part numbers 640349, 640052, 640054, 640058, and 640058A. It ensures a perfect fit and function. The Carbhub carburetor is compatible with Tecumseh 8 horsepower, 9 horsepower, and some 10 horsepower horizontal Snowblower engines. It's built to deliver optimal performance. This carburetor fits Tecumseh models HMSK 80, HMSK 85, HMSK 90, HMSK 100, HSMK 110, LH318A, and LH358SA. It is a versatile solution for your snowblower, generator, or chipper shredder. The package includes one carburetor and one mount gasket. It has everything you need for a quick and easy installation. What we like. This carburetor is compatible with a wide range of Tecumseh engines and snowblower models. It is a direct replacement for several Tecumseh models. If you want a reliable and easy-to-install carburetor, this one is a great choice. What people say. This carb was a direct replacement and no issues with screws, bolts, or linkages. After adjusting the idle and high-speed screws, the snowblower runs great. Exact fit as described. Apparently pre-tuned, and makes snowblower run like a new machine. It was a direct replacement for the original carb on the Tecumseh engine. Runs great. I had to adjust the idle jet and throttle plate slightly, but that was all. Number 1. Oregon 50-659 carburetor replacement. This is a replacement carburetor. It is designed for Tecumseh 640349. It ensures your outdoor equipment runs smoothly. The product is made in China. It is manufactured to meet quality standards. This carburetor is categorized under outdoor living. It is essential for maintaining your outdoor tools. The package dimensions are 3.7 inches in length, 4.4 inches in width, and 3.25 inches in height. It is compact and easy to handle. The package weighs 0.52 pounds. It is lightweight and easy to ship. What we like. This carburetor is a reliable replacement for Tecumseh engines. It is designed for optimal performance and durability. If you are looking for a simple, dependable replacement, this is a solid choice. What people say. The replacement looks identical to the OEM carburetor with one exception: the replacement does not have a separate float bowl drain. The new Oregon carburetor fit perfect and the motor literally started on the first pull. Now it runs fine at all speeds and idles great. In the case of my JDA26, I needed to transfer the metal shroud mounting bracket and the choke bracket from my existing carb to this unit, which took just a few minutes. Other than that, it was an exact fit, direct replacement for OEM. Quality of this piece seems to be very high as well. After installation, I started the blower with one pull, first time ever, and it idled like new and ran as expected. It worked perfectly out of the box with no adjustments needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.